Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the top 8 online side business ideas to generate extra income monthly. If you're still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So getting an extra $500 to $1,000 a month may seem impossible right now. In this video though, I will talk about some online side businesses that could help you make a lot of money. So let's begin with it. 1. Blogging. You might not get a return on your investment right away from blogging, but once you get popular, it's essentially passive income. If your blog gets a lot of traffic from search engines and social media, the sky is the limit when it comes to how much you can make from it. 2. Affiliate marketing. You can promote your affiliate links on your blog and on social media sites. Just make sure that the content you share will really help the people who follow you. 3. Video marketing. You can advertise sponsored items with video marketing. You can make money from reviews and how to do videos on YouTube by putting up ads and affiliate links. 4. Social media influencer. Technically, you are an influencer if you have a large number of followers on social media and your post gets a lot of attention. You can easily charge brands who want to do business with you higher fees. 5. Social media manager. Few businesses know how to use their social media accounts well. You will have the chance to have a big effect on businesses. The best part is that it's easy to automate social media activities, so you can help more than one client at once. 6. Selling things that give information. Selling e-courses and e-books is a very popular thing to do right now. This kind of content is easy to make and it's easier to give it to freelancers who can write faster and better than you. 7. Freelance work. Check out Upwork and Freelancer if you want to do freelance work online, like writing, designing, making apps, and websites. But keep in mind that they are global markets, so there will be competition around the world based on price and scale. So if you want to stand out from the other vendors and you are sure of your skills, don't be afraid to bid prices that you think you deserve. 8. eBay Enterprise. eBay is a great way to make money and gives you a lot of different options. If you want a more traditional way to make money selling things, eBay is your best bet. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.